Chapter 7 Climate of India. Get set. Write the weather condition in which you enjoy the following most. Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere over an area at any given period of time, whereas climate is a total of weather conditions and variations over a large area for a very long period of time or more than 30 years. Weather can change throughout the day, but the climate of a country is the same for many years. The climate of India. The climate of India is described as a monsoon type because it depends greatly on monsoon winds. This type of climate is found in South and Southeast Asia. However, there are variations in climatic conditions in the country itself. The coastal regions of India show the least amount of difference between the temperatures of night and day. In the interior regions, the difference in temperatures of day and night is huge. Chirpy says, the term monsoon is derived from Arabic word mawsim, which means seasonal reversal in the wind direction. The season of India influenced by the two types of winds, one blow from the Arabian Sea and second is from the Bay of Bengal. Seasons in India. The climate of India has distinct seasonal patterns. The weather conditions change greatly from one season to another. The changes in temperature are extreme in the interior regions. The coastal regions do not experience extreme temperatures. The climate of India can be divided into 5 seasons which are discussed below. The winter season. It begins from mid-November in northern India and stays till February. The temperature decreases from south to the north. The average temperature on the eastern coast is between 24 degrees to 25 degrees Celsius, while in the northern plains it ranges between 10 degrees to 15 degrees Celsius. Days are warm and nights are cold. Frost is common in the north and the higher slopes of the Himalayas experience snowfall. It is a dry season. Some amount of rainfall occurs on the Tamil Nadu coast. The weather is normally marked by clear sky, low temperatures, and low humidity and feeble variable winds. The peninsula region does not have a well-defined cold season. There is hardly any noticeable seasonal change in temperature pattern during winters due to the moderating influence of the sea. The spring season. Spring is observed from mid-February to mid-March. It is known as King of the Seasons for its ideal weather as it is neither too hot nor too cold. The trees get new leaves, the flowers bloom and the land looks fresh. The summer season. It begins from late March to the middle of June. The whole India experiences increase in temperature. During these months, the entire country except the mountain areas experiences a hot dry weather because the sun rays are nearly vertical and the temperature remains high. The heat is unbearable during the months of May and June. Hot and dry winds called slew blow in north and northwest India. South India is comparatively less hot as it is surrounded by the sea on all sides. The sea breeze which blows from the sea keeps the coastal area cool, but it remains humid. It causes discomfort. The rainy season. It begins from the middle of June to September. During this season, the monsoon winds, laden with moisture, blow from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal and bring rain towards the land. The Arabian Sea branch causes more rainfall on the western coast of India. The Western Ghats, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and some areas of Madhya Pradesh, when it passes through Rajasthan, hits Himalayas and causes rainfall on the mountainous slopes of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Monsoon Rum in the southern ranges of the Khasi Hills receives the highest average rainfall in the world. Rainfall in the Ganga Valley decreases from the east to the west. The Bay of Bengal branch enters India through West Bengal and reaches Haryana, Punjab, and Rajasthan through Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Chirpy says, though monsoon passes through Rajasthan, but does not cause rainfall there due to two reasons. Monsoon winds are parallel to the Aravalli Range. Dry and hot winds coming from Sindh region from Pakistan lessen the relative humidity of these monsoon winds and do not allow them to get saturated. The autumn season. It begins after rainy season from September to the middle of November. It is often called as the retreating season of monsoon, which happened due to the gradual retreat of southwest monsoon. There is no rainfall in the northern India, but several cyclonic storms arise in the Bay of Bengal that move from the northeast to the southeast along the eastern coast, causing rainfall in the Tamil Nadu coast and Sri Lanka. Think a while. How does the climate determine our lifestyle and play a very important role in our life? Quick review. Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere over an area at any given period of time. Climate is a total of weather conditions and variations over a large area for a very long period of time. The climate of India is described as a monsoon type because it depends greatly on monsoon winds. During summer, hot and dry winds blow during daytime in the north and northwest India, which are called slew. Mawsyn Ram in the southern ranges of the Khasi Hills receives the highest average rainfall in the world.